You're the first sip of coffee in the winter air. The way that the sunlight gets caught in your hair. I was a traveler just passing through, until I found a permanent seat next to you. Oh, Jones, you're the best part of me, the steady blue heartbeat of the deep rolling sea. I don't need a map or a star in the sky. I see